This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the essentials. Get the Zebronics driver package and ensure you have admin rights on the PC. Once done, pick a direct USB 2, 0 or 3. 0 port, avoid passive hubs because they can underpower the dongle. Plug the dongle in and wait 10-20 seconds. The system may attempt automatic driver detection. If Windows prompts for a driver path, point it to the folder you downloaded. This prevents conflicts later and lets the adapter announce itself to the OS. You now install and configure the adapter. If the driver didn't auto-install, open Device Manager and find the unknown device under Network Adapters. Right-click and choose Update Driver. Then select Browse My Computer and point to the Zebronics driver folder you downloaded, accept the security prompt. After installation, reboot to finalize the driver. Once back, open Wi-Fi settings, scan for the router SSID, select it, and enter the password. Choose WPA2 for stronger encryption and stability. You finish by verifying the link and securing the setup. Ping 888 or load a web page to confirm traffic flows, check signal bars and link speed in adapter details. If needed, assign a static IP or adjust DNS in network settings for consistent performance. If connection fails, reinstall the driver and test a different USB port to rule out power issues. A key troubleshooting tip: disable USB power saving and the adapter's power save mode.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.